If your wine stash regularly includes a half dozen bottles or more, consider investing in a wine fridge. Wine is a living consumable that needs a light, temperature, and humidity. Wine fridges are designed to take all three of those into consideration. With these criteria in mind, we selected wine fridge under 500. Wine cooler as our best overall. Watch the full video for a list of the best wine fridges for your home.
Looking for a trustable place to learn about all the modern home accessories, gadgets, and gardening in the world? Then we are here to help you. Welcome to Home Virgo. We bring you the most updated and comfortable products that are used for home decoration, gardening, or anything that goes in the home. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to keep yourself updated about home accessories, home gadgets, gardening tools, and anything that goes in the home.
Number 10. Koolatron Urban Series 6-Bottle Wine Cooler. This elegant freestanding wine fridge holds up to 6 standard-sized wine bottles and fits perfectly on a table or countertop, so you can get the most out of your favorite vintages. External controls and digital display let you view and adjust the temperature or turn the interior light on or off without opening the door, so the cool air stays inside your wine cooler where it belongs. You can place this compact freestanding wine cellar anywhere there is a power source, so your favorite wines are always close at hand. Double-paned mirrored glass door protects your wine from damage by harmful UV rays, while soft interior lighting subtly highlights your wine collection. Without any vibration or harmful CFCs to ensure your wine is kept at an optimal temperature. Number 9. Schmecke 12-Bottle Compressor Wine Cooler Refrigerator. Schmecke Wine Cooler's compressor technology ensures temperature is not affected by outside heat sources. Set the temperature and let the wine cooler do the rest. With a built-in fan that maintains a consistent temperature throughout, this cooler ensures an optimal environment for long-term wine storage. A double-paned glass door not only keeps the interior insulated, but also protects your collection from harmful UV light that can damage the tannins and overall flavor of your wine. Turn on the energy-efficient LED light to gently illuminate your collection. Say goodbye to harsh fluorescent bulbs that fade labels and affect flavor. Easily adjust the temperature and turn on the light by tapping the digital display, then easily lock in settings with the lock button. The bright LCD display lets you view the temperature, even in the dark. Number 8. Ivation 28-Bottle Compressor Wine Cooler Refrigerator. This product is the next best thing to having a real wine cellar in your own home. Protect and preserve the flavor and aroma the vintners intended for your collection by keeping harmful UV rays out and maintaining an optimal environment for your wines to age with grace. The advanced compressor cooling system delivers the optimal environment for those special vintages, preserving their unique flavor and delicacy. Holds 28 standard 750 milliliters bottles. Efficient compressor cooling system and superior insulation maintain the stable environment needed to protect the most delicate wines. Vibration-free operation will not disturb sediment. The perfect wine chiller with adjustable temperature range of 41 degrees, 64 Fahrenheit. Turn on the energy-efficient LED light to gently illuminate your collection. Say goodbye to harsh fluorescent bulbs that fade labels and affect flavor. Keep your collection secure with built-in lock. Number 7. Miladred 12-Bottle Wine Cooler Refrigerator. This wine refrigerator has 12 bottles storage capacity. It can store red, white, champagne, sparkling, or other wine you have. The wine cooler is a space-efficient way to store your wine and preserve wine's fullest flavor and aroma. Wine coolers possess superb technology, adjustable temperature control from 54-64 degree Fahrenheit and can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Wine cooler with a built-in fan that maintains a consistent temperature throughout. The wine cooler refrigerator allows you to customize the temp and create an ideal climate for your wines. Tap the digital display to easily adjust the temperature in each zone or turn on the interior LED light without opening the door. Wine fridge with UV-resistant and double-tempered glass door. The double-paned glass door not only keeps the interior insulated, but also protects your collection from harmful UV light that can damage the tannins and overall flavor of your wine. Mini wine cabinet with lock which can prevent children from taking out the wine. He also has 4 stainless steel frames. The built-in or freestanding wine cooler looks classy and fashionable, making it perfectly match any home decor. Number 6. Nutrichef PKCWC 120 Refrigerator Mini Wine Fridge. With its 12-bottle storage capacity, this wine cooler unit is perfect for chilling and storing 12 bottles of red or white wine. Equipped with an accurate precision compressor cooling technology, adjustable temperature control, integrated LED lights and built-in circulation fan and ventilation grill. Equipped with an advanced cooling system that will keep your beverages at the right temperature without making a noise. The internal forced air circulation ensures sufficient cooling throughout the fridge, ensuring perfect temperature of all bottles. This wine chiller cooler refrigerator is equipped with an advanced cooling system that will keep your beverages at the right temperature without making a noise. It has a freestanding design for floor, table, or countertop placement. These shelves are easy to slide out and are strong enough to hold your favorite wine bottles. And also soft enough to protect your wine labels without being scratched. It comes with a 1-year quality of complete satisfaction. Number 5. Ivation 12-bottle compressor wine cooler refrigerator. Ivation wine cooler's compressor technology ensures temperature is not affected by outside heat sources, and reaches temperatures low enough to house sparkling white wines with a 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degree Fahrenheit temperature range. Set the temperature and let the wine cooler do the rest. With a built-in fan that maintains a consistent temperature throughout, this cooler ensures an optimal environment for long-term wine storage. A double-paned glass door not only keeps the interior insulated, but also protects your collection from harmful UV light that can damage the tannins and overall flavor of your wine. Turn on the energy-efficient LED light to gently illuminate your collection. Say goodbye to harsh fluorescent bulbs that fade labels and affect flavor. Rearrange the shelves to accommodate varying bottle sizes. From Pinot Noir to Champagne, you can be sure your collection ages comfortably. Easily adjust the temperature and turn on the light by tapping the digital display. Number 4. Kalamera Mini Fridge 18-bottle, 12-inch wine cooler. This mini wine fridge holds up to 18 bottles of your favorite wine in different sizes, and is only affected when having a larger bottle, like Pinot or Champagne. It's the perfect choice for the wine lover having various wine collections. Soft LED lights keep your wine in a beautiful environment, helping you select your favorite wine at all times. LED control display makes it easy to set temperature from 40 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit, providing perfect chilling temperature at all times. Kalamera's unique design makes this small wine cooler could be installed as a built-in wine cooler or freestanding wine fridges. The small wine cooler restores the set temperature in the cooler after it is back on from power loss, which keeps your wine collection from going bad with increasing temperature. You could enjoy yourself when you travel, and do not need to worry about your wine. To hold your wine better, we choose 6 high-quality wooden shelves in these cooler. The shelf is removable and with a stopper. On 2 sides of each shelf were 2 stoppers. Special stainless steel frame with 2 layers of tempered glass stabilizes temperature levels inside and keeps glass from fogging. This wine and beverage refrigerator has an automatic defrosting function. Number 3. Koolatron Urban Series 10-bottle wine cooler. This elegant freestanding wine fridge holds up to 10 standard-sized wine bottles and fits perfectly on a table or countertop, so you can get the most out of your favorite vintages. External controls and digital display let you view and adjust the temperature or turn the interior light on or off without opening the door, so the cool air stays inside your wine cooler where it belongs. You can place this compact freestanding wine cellar anywhere there is a power source, so your favorite wines are always close at hand. Double-paned mirrored glass door protects your wine from damage by harmful UV rays, while soft interior lighting subtly highlights your wine collection. Eco-friendly thermoelectric technology efficiently cools to 8 to 18 degrees Celsius without any vibration or harmful CFCs to ensure your wine is kept at an optimal temperature. Number 2. Nutrichef 12-bottle wine cooler refrigerator. With its 12-bottle storage capacity, this wine cooler unit is perfect for chilling and storing 12 bottles of red or white wine. Equipped with an accurate precision compressor cooling technology, adjustable temperature control, integrated LED lights, and built-in circulation fan and ventilation grill. Its reinforced glass door with airtight seal, this 12-bottle electric beverage refrigerator gives you a compact and modern design perfect for your living room, home office, or kitchen. It has a freestanding design for floor, table, or countertop placement. Control the exact temperature of your electric wine cabinet for short and long term in a consistent stable temp environment with an adjustable digital touch button display for Celsius or Fahrenheit. Equipped with an advanced cooling system that will keep your beverages at the right temperature without making a noise. This premium wine cooling unit is backed by a 1-year quality warranty of complete satisfaction.
From performance to price and design to durability, the last product on our list is the best in all we have reviewed.
Number 1. Antarctic Star 24-bottle wine refrigerator. If you want your wine to have a good taste, if you're a wine connoisseur and need a way to keep your favorite flavors handy and within easy reach, then the new bottle compressor wine cooler is just what you need. Heat is enemy number 1 for wine. The wine cooler enables you to store your wine in optimal conditions for long-term aging. Working temperature range is 40 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit and allows you to customize the temp. With its reinforced glass door with airtight seal and help to maintain an ideal humidity level, this beverage refrigerator gives you a compact and modern design better for your living room. Blue soft LED interior lighting not only beautifully showcases the wine but won't damage the wine. 24 standard red or white wine bottles capacity, also good for canned beer and beverage storage. Horizontal racking is a space-efficient way to store your bottles, and it definitely can't harm your wines. Equipped with an advanced cooling system that will keep your beverages at the right temperature without making a noise. With no disturbance to its natural occurring sediments. Freestanding application only, not for built-in use. The beverage and wine center door will close more easily when the 2 front leveling legs are extended slightly. Wine fridges are available in just about every price range and size, from lightweight countertop, freestanding models to heavy-duty cellars with locking doors and temperature alarms. Choose a small wine fridge for your home. It's easy to maintain and also needed for home decor. Comment below about your favorite wine fridge or wine brand. Help us to grow, like, share and subscribe.